Here's a vintage service box fan, 3-speed. This is actually made by Air King. It even says it on the box. If you couldn't tell by just looking at it, because it's got the same grill design as the two metal bladed Air Kings that I have, and I also have the box for both of those, and I got the box for this one. So it's pretty cool. This thing is in nearly perfect condition. It's really dusty. It's got a bunch of sawdust in it. And the motor is pretty stiff, so it doesn't run at full speed. But I'm going to take it apart and clean it. I'll show you the motor first before I start it up. Not sure who made this motor. It may be a Macmillan, but as you can see, there's a bunch of sawdust in there, and that needs to be cleaned out, and this thing needs to be oiled. 2.7 amps, model number S20. Alright, start off on high speed. It's definitely not running at full speed. It needs oil bad. Yeah, that came to a stop way too quickly. Here's high. Medium. Don't know why it vibrates like that on medium and low. And that'll do it for this one.